To show you guys how to use the metal rib and shape your pieces. Start with the wooden rib. You can use this, you can use the curve end. So I replace my right hand with this. The inside hand pushes that clay into this metal rib, this wooden rib. Can you see my inside hand going up and up and up and up and into this thing? So it conforms to this curvature, right? So that's how you can use the wooden rib. You can use the flat side, but then you got to bend in order to get to the middle where you need to go. So can you all see how to use this? The next step is the metal rib. Now this is the most versatile, so because you can bend it. You want to have your fingers spread out. You don't want to just hold it at the end. You want to spread it out, the thumb in the middle, so you can bend it, control it. Or you can get your pinky underneath and bend it the other way, right? Back and forth. You use the curve in to really see how when I engage it, it'll make the outside nice and smooth and beautifully curved. And you'll get all this clay. It's important to get rid of that when you go at it again. You want to engage it like this, but when you get going, you want to be kind of like straight. That's called perpendicular, right? You never want to go past because then you'll cut into it. So that's kind of important. So like this, and you get like that. Okay? That's the important part of how you use this metal rib. So I'm going to go in like so, and then I'm going to get set, and then I'm going to use it. And you can feel the difference when you're engaging it correctly, because you're going to feel that clay being scraped off. And it's going to be like, oh, I'm going to do all sorts of things to it in a wooden twist. So that's how you use this tool to shape the outside. You can use it to shape the inside too as well. So I will hold my right hand steady with my left hand, and I'll go on the inside and push out. You can see what I'm doing, right? So now I'm getting the inside nice and smooth. This is good for functional cups, so the inside be nice and smooth, and you can easily clean it. I can use the flat side, curve it, and embellish this curvature. Use that sharp end and dictate that line right there. Use the curve end, go right here. And you can already start to imagine how this will do. Your handle maybe come off of here and here, right? It gives you all sorts of design clues. I can use this, my wooden tool for the finishing touch. You, again, cut this. Notice how when I do that, it pushes the clay out the way and it creates this natural little flange that you could use later, like we talked about earlier, to stop the glaze right there, right? And finish the job using my wooden knife to go in a little deeper. And by now, this thing's like half trimmed already. And wire tool, make it taut.